Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to add a color to your swatches. So to get to your swatches you need to go to this side. You see there are two tabs, so you select on the second tab called swatches. Then we go to the eyedrop to select the color that we like here. For example, let's say we want to select this yellow color, so we select that. Then this yellow color appears on the top, which is the most recently used colors. Then all you need to do to add this color into your swatches so that you could use it later on as well is to click on here, and you can give it a name, yellow B for example, and now it start appearing here right in the end. So if you select this with a brush, for example, select brush, select this, we can draw the same color again here. And if you want to save this swatches, you need to go to 3 here and then click on save swatches, give it a name, for your eyes only, and then save. That's it, it is saved. And if you want to load, you go here and you go load swatches, you go to the same place, and then you can just load any other one and it will load you here. So that you could keep increasing your library of colors. I hope this video was useful. Please don't forget to share and subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.